Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Bajaj Auto in 2008 turns into approximately 6.7 lakhs today. The Bajaj story, founded by Jamnal Bajaj, the freedom fighter, philanthropist, and the close confidant of Mahatma Gandhi. The Bajaj Group is one of the most respected and renowned business houses of India. The future is electric. The Bajaj Auto commits to the investment of 300 crores, the manufacturing unit at Krudi that will produce 5 lakh EV units a year. Bajaj Auto Limited was split into three separate entities on 26th May 2008. The three entities are Bajaj Auto Limited, Bajaj Finserv Limited, and Bajaj Holding Investment Limited. If you invest 10,000 INR in 2008, that share was trading 250 INR. So you will, for investment of 10,000, you will get the base value is 10. In 2010, Bajaj Auto gives 1:1 bonus ratio. You will get 80 shares. The face value remains 10. The total number of shares you hold is 80. The current market price is 8,402 INR. The total net value of your investment is 6,72,160 INR. A Bajaj Auto dividends, 80 shares into 80 INR. That was the dividend Bajaj Auto was given the last year. The total dividend is 6,400 INR, approximately 7k dividend. Next year dividend payout will be increased. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Bajaj Auto, you will not get return like this. Bajaj Auto grew as a large cap company, but you have to find the future of Bajaj stocks like this. In the last year, Bajaj Auto gives the given return of 18.41%, and the previous 5 years, the absolute return of Bajaj Auto is 173.31%. The average return for the last 5 years is 34.46%. Keynotes. Yearly, the few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research and invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold the other stock. That will give you the more possible to get the return like this. And that is the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.